Okay, so we're gonna start working on, I don't even know if we have sound, if this is gonna work, because I'm also in the open voice in Discord. But let's just go to twitch.tv really quick, and make sure that we have sound, because sometimes the microphone, they fight with each other. Also, let's turn up the volume on our computer as well, so we can hear. Okay. Okay, yep, I hear it on stream. Cool. So here's what we're gonna do. We are going to do, we're gonna do our, that needs to be down a little bit. Yeah, is that my face in there now? Okay. So we are going to do, some work for Our Flag Means Fun, and, we're gonna do a cheat sheet. We're gonna write a cheat sheet. We've already made one, but it was missing some things. And so we're gonna go find that. Also, let's start we'll start a stopwatch here as well. We're gonna start a timer, and we're gonna stay in the open text for the server. So if you want to if you want to talk to me in person, there is a way to talk to me in person if you want to. Just don't do anything fucking toss. All right. Okay. So first thing is we want to find the cheat sheet. So I actually have no fucking clue where I put it. Assets, Discord, Molons. I may have put it in my own personal files. So why don't we go Windows E key? I know where I would have put it if I put it in my personal files. Let's go R get photos, and then I probably did put in Dex PDN, the last thing I did. No, it's not there. Great. Now I gotta figure out where the fuck I put that. Maybe it's just in Dex, right? Index? No, that's not in there either. So I don't know where I put it, but if we go look at my notes, right? My guess is I'm not gonna find it this way either. Cheat sheet. If I go look for cheat sheet, I have platformer cheat sheet, but that is like on line 44,000. That's definitely not something I did recently. So we're gonna have to go cheat sheet, and cheat sheet. Cheat sheet, Steam, right? Cheat sheet, Steam. It's the Steam cheat sheet, right? And we have to find that, right? So Steam cheat sheet, Steam cheat sheet, Steam cheat sheet. Okay, so now that we gotta go find that. I know I've already worked on this, so let's go find where this is. I have no fucking clue where this is. So it could be in the corporate repo somewhere. I just don't think it's in. I wouldn't have put it in here. Let's go further back, right? Let's go Our Flag Means Fun. We have assets images. That would indeed be an asset, of course. It could be somewhere else, though. What other kind of things do we have? Bank, branding, charter, contracts, DBA, game pricing, games, kanji. It could be in my kanji folder. It could be like my own personal kind of stuff here. Ninja Jade, asset ripping, 14 Steam pipe, game transfer. You never know. There's a text file. There's some screenshots. Ninja Jade, asset ripping. I know what I was up to there. But I don't see anything for that. So marketing, meetings, marketing. Okay, nope. What about quotes, receipts, resources? Steam Direct? Screenshots? No. Okay, what else do we have? Oh yeah, I was supposed to put that in user kanji code, and I just decided to make my own folder right at the base. Let's move that around, I think. Do we want to like have my... I like that it's shorter, but maybe we shouldn't do that, right? Maybe we should move this stuff. Let's cut this. Well, we're here. Let's move that around, right? So user, I'm just going to paste that right there, right? And then what I'm going to do is moved to dot user kanji coder. Right. Do I want to change it? Yes. Move this to user slash kanji coder folder. Or maybe kanji. I feel all of right. Okay. That kind of makes sense as we're doing this. Oh, shit. Okay, stop this. Oh, fuck. Okay, so it's a good thing that we're not showing the screen. Holy crap. Oh, yeah, and that's also a thing. I don't actually share the screen when I'm on my work sessions because of the fact that sometimes there are passwords open on the screen. So we're safe. I was like, oh, God, we're going to have to stop the stream and, like, get rid of the VOD and all that stuff. No, we're good still. We're good. Okay. I don't know where the fuck that cheat sheet is. So let's go Windows E key. And if we're lucky, right, SR exe pdn. If we go open up paint.net, we may be lucky enough to find a recent file and find that paint.net file that contains the cheat sheet, right? Because we already did most of that cheat sheet, so where the fuck is it, right? And why is it not in the corporate repo, right? Why all these? So if we go open recent, right, if we're lucky, oh man, we opened way too much stuff. We're never gonna find it, are we? We're never. God fucking damn it. Yeah, recent stuff ain't gonna fucking help us, is it? It's not gonna fucking help us. So I don't fucking know where it is. I really don't know where it is. File open. It's like, where the fuck did I put it? I don't know where I put it. Alt. Assets Discord. Ninja Jade. Assets marketing. Okay, so we have some things. What about old? No. Oh, cheat sheet is right at the, I see it right at the games Ninja Jade. It's right there. Okay. So what we're going to do here is, well, first of all, we're going to open up this cheat sheet PDN. And, okay, so we got a big-ass cheat sheet, right? A big-ass cheat sheet. And this cheat sheet needs some more stuff in it. I know it's fucking huge already. But there are some things that, other things that Josh needed to do that are not actually on this cheat sheet. And so we are going to modify this cheat sheet so that it has everything. And I'm also going to make sure that the cheat sheet has all the numbers and the numbers line up with what's here. Because right now there are some things that are not quite correct there. So let's go on Discord. Let's go find Discord. Let's shut some other tabs here. Okay. So we need to find. We may have like screenshots of what things we need already, right? We may have those screenshots. So if we go into, let's close this. If we go into our flag means fun and we go into games and we go into Molons and we go into the game save version, no, not the game save version. If we go into kanjicoder.screenshots, no, that's not there. Oh, it's in Steam because we're doing work with Steam, and so I kind of put all the screenshots there. So if we go into accounts and we go into Steam Dev and we go find screenshots there. Yeah. Okay. So if we go into the screenshots, there's some screenshots there. Not as many as I was thinking. Our flag means fun, main, Ninja Jade. What do we got in here? Okay. Accounts. That's not enough. Oh, because it's Ninja Jade. It's working. Yeah, this is for Ninja Jade, of course. Okay, so games. I see what's going on. We want to go to games. And we want to go to not Molans, but Ninja Jade, because that's where I've been doing most of my work. And in there, we're going to find where I've been taking most of my screenshots. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go backwards through the screenshots of, like, what I was doing a few days ago. And we're just going to see if we can find, the, we should be okay with this. So if we go back far enough, we should be able to find, yeah, so here we go. Publish, nope, not that. There should be, so there's community icon, and there's avatar right there, right? Community icon and avatars, right? I know Josh might not be completely happy with those avatars that I chose. Because he may have sent me some avatars, and I may have not read the messages, and I may be in trouble. Okay, let's go to our direct messages, and let's just very quickly see if Josh sent me anything that's like, oh shit, those are the avatars, right? Yeah, so I think we're good. I don't think Josh sent me anything personally. Yeah, so this is the stuff. So I see that I did send him some messages for community icon, avatars, client image, client icon. So I sent him some images. I do like these community icons and avatars. So I'm going to, I am going to take this image here. So this is image 135. I'm going to take image 135, and we're going to put it in the cheat sheet, right? So, we're going to, we're going to go file, we're going to go image, canvas size. Holy shit, this is a big image. Let's just do, let's up that to, like, I don't know, 4096. Let's go. Let's just fucking double this. Bam. 4096. Okay, we got a lot of new space. Let's go save this PDN file. And this 135, let's go open this 135. So let's go open that. And we know it's in our screenshots in Ninja Jade. So we're going to go find our screenshots. We're going to go find 135. So this is the advantage of, like, taking all these screenshots as I'm working. Because I'd be like, hey, you know what? I know I was doing this. Did I take a nice little screenshot while I was doing it? And sure enough, I was. So yay. So we're going to take this community icon and avatars. We're going to take that. And we're going to go over here. And we're just going to do something. I don't know. We're going to do I'm going to call this last for. I'm just going to call it last for. I don't know what to call this, right? And then in this new section called last for, I'm going to control V. I'm going to keep the canvas size. And we're just going to we're just going to try to fit we may not be able to fit that all, huh? Bicubic. Let's use bicubic there. So let's delete this for a second. Let's just paste this. Keep canvas size. Let's just keep this at the original resolution. And it's not the best thing. It's not the best size. Let's not god damn it. Keep canvas size. So this is not the best. It's not going to be consistent with everything. Oh my god, no, we already have it pasted there. Delete that. Okay. So let's go to 184 by 184. Okay. So why don't we just get rid of the description, right? We kind of know what it needs to be. So let's just take that. Right? And why don't we just kind of like and that's 184 by 184. So let's take this over here. And I don't know how much we move this over. Did we like go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Do we do something like that? Because I feel like that's probably what we did, right? If we go look at where this text is that going to be okay? Yeah, so moving that over by 32 is fine. And then over here, let's take this. Right, let's take this and let's move that up as well, right? So let's just kind of move that up and get rid of some of that room here. Right, avatars. And we can get rid of this part right here, right? And these are also 184 by 184. Yeah, they're also 184 by 184. Okay. And then we can grab this, right? We'll grab this right here, and we'll go Control V, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1, 2, 32. Okay. So then, let's go save that. We know we need avatars and, I have the community icon. I'm gonna save this. Yeah, let's go take can we open this in another window? Or is this the full thing? Okay, let's go to screenshots here. And let's... WebP, fuck this shit. What the fuck? Oh my god. I know I didn't make that a WebP. Fucking hell, man. Open in browser. Oh, it's right there. It's to the left. Now that should be a PNG. Yeah. Josh Work 001. Okay, 66. Okay, I see where that's coming from. File, save image as. What screenshot is this? Screenshot 66. Okay. So, so let's make some more orange text. And let's just make that orange or something. And Represents your application and compact layouts, right? Let's make that a little bit brighter orange. Yeah, something like that. Okay. And are we using... Let's delete that. Where's my font? Where's my little font tool? Represents your application and compact layouts. Can we do a little bit larger of a font? Can we do 18? We could do something like that, right? Represents your application in compact layouts. 184 by 184, right? Doorbell, I hear the doorbell. What's up? What's going on? Well. Yep. So right now I'm doing work for our company. So I'm making a cheat sheet for my boss, basically. That is what I am doing right now. He said that he liked the cheat sheet I made, and he wanted me to add the final things that I found when we submitted the game to Steam. So I'm making him a cheat sheet right now. Let's use a better font here. Let's use like Anonymous Pro or something for the number, right? Okay, so it's a little bit dirty, but 184, right? 184 by 184. I don't know. Do you want to go like 184 by 184? Something like that. Okay, so this is ugly as fuck. I mean, I already have it here, but I just want it to kind of stand out, right? So 184 by 184 pixels. So this right here, okay, so I already have these already here. We're just kind of tacking on the other stuff, and then we're going to give them numbers as well. So this right here, this is also 184 by 184. Let's just throw that on here as well, right? So 184 by 184, oops, pixels, right? And then, you know, it just needs to be something Josh can work off of, right? It doesn't have to be the most beautiful thing, right? So there were two other things that we came across, client image and client icon. So going through my list of screenshots, it was somewhere around screenshot number 66. So I see client image and client icon. I'm going to go open that up. So I'm going to close this one here. So file, open, and I need 68 and 69. So screenshot 68 and... Oh, can you see this? Yeah, you can... Oh, no, you can't see this. I'm just kind of monologuing here. I can show you. The reason I don't always show kind of like what I'm up to here is because I have to be much more careful as we're here because passwords and stuff. I try to keep passwords on a monitor that is not exposed to this copy of OBS in case I totally screw up, but we can show you what's on the bottom monitor. So we're looking for around image 68 here. And so we have the client image and client icon were the next things, right? Client image and client icon. Yeah, let's go open those up. Okay, so the client image, client icon. And we're just going to grab client image, Control A, Control copy. And we're just going to keep canvas size, and we're going to paste that down there. And yeah, so let's kind of like I will I don't know, do I need this part that says no image set? Do I even need this thing? I'm gonna get rid of that thing that says no image set. And let me read the text for this and rewrite it, because this obviously got clipped. So why don't we go over here, and let's just delete this part. And why don't we go rewrite that? So let's go color sample here. And let's go throw this on. How's that going to work for us? Oh, that worked all right. Okay, and then let's get some... Oh, that's not going to work very well, is it? Okay. Let's take this... Okay, all this shit that I just grabbed here, that needs to go on this other layer. Let's put it on the correct layer. Oh boy, there's some white in there. What the fuck is wrong with me here? So... Yeah, creating a new layer, it's all like, oh yeah, you want your background to be solid white? No, I'd like my background to be opaque, thank you. Let's go over here to this background layer, and let's... Okay, let's make sure we didn't nuke everything. Okay, we're good. Okay, now let's go back to the last four. Let's grab client image. And then, did I fucking nuke the avatars? I totally nuked the avatars, didn't I? The avatars got nuked. God fucking damn it. Okay, Control Z a whole bunch of fucking times. Fucking hell. What the fucking fuck? Oh my god, where the fuck did they... Oh, did I just nuked over the... whatever. Okay, go over here. I'm gonna go delete this shit. Then we're gonna go over here to this thing that says last four. Okay, yeah. That's properly organized. Then we're gonna go grab the client image, copy it. We're gonna go back over here, keep canvas size, and we're just gonna put this over here. And then we're just gonna move things around a little bit. So I'll keep that part. I want to keep some of the original text, so I know, yeah. But this is not justified correctly, so let's not. How about we just don't? How about we go to this description and get some gray text and transcribe what we already know is supposed to be there, right? This tiny image appears in the Steam client library if the customer turns on icons. That's fine. And then we can get some orange again. Make that a little bit more yellow. And then we're still on the description layer. So we're just gonna... Oh, before we go here, though, we gotta take this here. We gotta move this over by like 32 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Okay, I don't know if that's exactly 32. I might have screwed that up a little bit. Then we're just gonna write 16 by 16 pixels, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, 16 by 16 pixels, and that is not in the correct place, so let's not do that. It needs to be on the text layer, the description layer, and we're just gonna go. We're gonna write that again. 16 by 16 pixels, right? 16 by 16 pixels. It's not the best piece of artwork. Okay, let's go save this. Let's zoom out, make sure we haven't destroyed anything yet. Okay, save that. Okay, and then after the client image is what? The client icon stuff. Okay, so client icon, let's, this is client image. Okay, here's client icon stuff. Let's go Control A, Control Copy. Go over here, go Control V, keep canvas size. And we're on the wrong layer again, so hit Enter. Go to the correct layer, keep canvas size. Okay, cool. And let's just kind of like put that roughly where it needs to be. And then maybe save a little bit of space here. And then, do we have to worry about Mac and Linux icons? Let's not worry about that. I'm going to erase some of that. So that, what the fuck? Oh my god, I don't know why that filled. Why the fuck did that fill? Oh my god. I don't know why that did it. I don't know why that did what that did. What, did I, like, press enter? And it's like... Did I press enter and it just filled? What the fuck? Okay. That's kind of fucking stupid. Okay, whatever. Did we just nuke? No, we didn't nuke this yet. Okay, client icon. Okay. So let's move this up a little bit. And this icon is used when creating desktop shortcuts to launch your application. Okay. And I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to put some gray in there again. So I'm going to go color sample this. I'm going to put in some gray. And then we'll get some gray text. We'll go to the description. And then what we'll do is we will go create another piece of text over here. Use some type of orangish yellow. And we'll say that this is supposed to be what? I don't actually know what size. 32 by 32 pixels. Looking at this, that a lot of this could actually use to have some dividers, right? Like a lot of this shit needs some breathing room here, right? Like the avatars. Okay, let's just take these last four. Escape. Let's take these last four. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Because right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That just does not feel... Just doesn't feel good. Okay? So this right here. Okay. Avatars, 184 by 184 pixels. Okay. Okay, yeah, that works. So then, with these last four, let's go grab onto the color sampler. And let's try to fill the little gaps we've added, right? So we kind of like, let's fill this. I feel like I'm getting a little bit too designy here. But, oh fucking well, right? So let's just fucking do it. Right? The reason, so I was looking at the cheat sheet, I'm like, I don't see an obvious divider between these two things. And when you're glancing at it, I don't want you to glance at it and think you're looking at one thing, but you're looking at something else. That's kind of what I don't want here. So that's why I want those little dividers. I want a little bit of division between those things. Yeah, because even in this thing, right? Even in here, I actually did make dividers for that, right? There's... Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's okay. So avatars, client image, client icon. We can see the client icon actually needs to be moved over. So, oh fucking hell, man. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, are those the only things that I needed to do, or is there something else I'm forgetting here? So the client icon, let's look at the messages. Community icon, avatars, client image, client icon. So there's like 4 other things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 things. Okay, cool. So now, let's go save this. And, this whole thing, needs to be moved down. Can we go Control A? Like, how do we select escape? How do we select everything in here? Do we have to like go shift? Can we go shift select? Can we shift? Does it shift select? Control select? I don't know how to select all layers. I really don't know how to select all this shit. I don't know how to move all this stuff. Select multiple layers paint.net. How do we do that? Selecting multiple layers. Shouldn't it be just shift or control? What the fuck? So there's no way to fucking... I can't... What about control? No? What about control A? No? I always thought there was a way to, like, select multiple layers. Okay, so we're fucked there, huh? We're just fucked there, huh? Okay. And this alignment thing, I see why layer 7 was missing, because it's an alignment here. So... I don't know what we're gonna do there. Not the best thing here. Not the best fucking tool, huh? So... Oh my god. Okay, let's, go up here for a second. Why the fuck is this not colored in yet? Control save. Do I have the cheat sheet text file? Do I have a text file for this? Yeah, I do. Okay. So... there is something here that is not supposed to be here, right? The game manual. We're gonna remove game manual, and we're gonna renumber this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we go through this, right? Header capsule, small capsule, main capsule, vertical capsule, page background. library capsule, library header, library hero, library logo. Where's library logo? Library logo is right there. Library hero, library logo. So then we're gonna go 10 community icon. And the community icon is what? 184 by 184. Okay, 184 by 184. And that is, where's the description for that? Community icon. Okay, let's write a description. Right. Do you want to use a smaller font? Sure. Or no, it's EG, right? It's EG. Exempli grata or whatever the hell. Yeah? Did I close chat by accident? No, chat's down here. Because I know Elemental is always using EG as example, right? Exempli something or else. Like if we scroll up far enough, we'll find an EG because you use it a lot. Yeah, EG. And then IE is in other words, right? This is other words, this is example. In other words, exempli gratia? I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways. EG. For example, okay. So, unfortunately, I don't know how the fuck we're gonna move this. So we're gonna save this. And yeah, we just unfortunately file, save as, paint.net, not the best thing for this. Cheat sheet dot PNG. We're gonna go save that. PNG. Or actually, cancel. Let's save this. Then we're gonna go file, save as, right after we saved it. We're gonna go PNG. Okay? Do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay. Flatten. Okay. So now that we have this, we're gonna go. We're gonna just steal all this. We know we need a little bit more room, so we're just gonna steal all that. Copy, file new. Let's go 5. Actually, I'm still gonna go 4096. Okay, we're gonna paste that, and then we're gonna scroll down a little bit because we know we're gonna need more room for this right here, right? Like this needs more room. So this cheat sheet right here needs more room. Because now we have the community icon, which is 184 by 184. Represents application and compact layouts. Okay, what is 11? What's the 11th thing we need? Avatars. What is 12? 12 is not avatars. 12 is the client image. The client image, 16 by 16. Okay, 13. Desktop shortcuts. So is this 32 by 32? That's what it looks like. Okay. Okay. So I updated that cheat sheet. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to let's go boop 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 boop. Oh, that looks horrible. That looks like shit. Are we zoom 100%? Let's zoom out, I guess. If we zoom out, there we go. There we go. That looks a little bit better. We zoom in. Okay, it looks good here. What are we at? We're at like 90%. Okay. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna screenshot. We're gonna go snip. And get our flag means fun games. Or actually, yeah, Ninja Jade is where I've been working. And then do I have screenshots? I've been taking a whole bunch of screenshots while I've been working on this. 180 cheat sheet updates.png. Okay, let's go file open. screenshots. Let's go take this updated thing here. Copy that. This is not the best, not my best work, right? But, you know, whatever. Keep canvas size. So if we take that, okay, we did kind of have that clipped pretty bad last time. Focus on branding. And I see that this kind of got cut a little bit, so let's kind of... Okay. Actually, that's a little bit off. It's a little bit off. Let's go over here. Okay. And then let's take everything else that was here. Right, let's take all this bullshit here. Wrong layer. God damn it. Let's take all this stuff. And let's paste it closer to the top. And it seems that we got these little slivers of discontent. Okay. And now we can put some text over these. Let's go merge this one down. Or not swap them, but fucking merge it fucking down. Okay. File, save as, okay. All right. And I'm going to make a new layer called text. And this is horrible. 9, so we have items 9. Where the fuck is my, oh my fucking god. We just fucking lost it. We just fucking lost that. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, merge this down. Okay. Save. Okay. So now we need number 9. And... 10. Okay, what's our font here? Can we go 18? We go 20? It was probably bold, wasn't it? 20 in bold? It's probably like 18 in bold. Yeah, it's 18 in bold. Okay, so let's just put number 10 as the placement tool. Okay. 11 avatars. 12 is the client image. Fucking hell. We don't have that other fucking layer again, do we? Text. These things are just not moved over enough, right? It's like I did a bad job moving these over. Like if we go if we go create something to align this really quick, right? Because we can kind of see where all this other stuff is aligned, right? We ain't got our shit aligned, right? So we can kind of see that here, this needs to be moved over a little bit, right? That's good enough. If we want to be consistent, then this actually needs to move in the other direction. And same thing with avatars, that needs to move in the same direction. Okay. So then, use our eyedropper. Go fill in those stupid fucking gaps. And then our text layer. On our text layer, we're just going to use some orangish, yellowish color. So you have 10. This would be 11. The community icon. Right here is 12. Avatars. And then here's 13. We'll fix that later. And then there's 14, right? There's 14. What the fucking hell? Okay, oh my god, I'm losing my goddamn mind. Placement tool doesn't get a fucking number. Placement tool doesn't get a goddamn number. Okay? Placement tool does not get a fucking number. God fucking damn it. Okay, delete that again. Delete that again. Placement tool does not get a fucking number. Why does placement tool have a fucking number on it? Do you want to just get rid of the placement tool? Let's just get rid of the placement tool. That's fucking confusing. It's fucking confusing me. Let's just get rid of the placement tool. Or at least we don't have to take up... We don't need to take up so much room for this stupid piece of shit. Like, you know, if we want it there... if we want it there, yeah, this placement tool is not a fucking number. Okay. So it's not a list item, right? It's not a list item. It's just really a note for me, right? Okay, so this alignment tool, add new layer. Let's put like some black in front of here. And then, fade BG, and then we'll Okay. And then... this is a note for me. Okay. Okay, so 9. Okay. So now that we have that, we have our text. And we know that this is 10. Let's just do 10 like that. Sure. 10, 11, 12, and then 13. Okay. And then this 12, we need to go take this color here. Okay. And then let's go find some black. I'm not going to worry about the exact color. Just put some fucking black in there to divide this. Okay, that took way too long. Okay. So now let's, how far does this go? This is 25,000. So 26,000. And let's just put some black here. Okay. So now we have 13 items, client icon, client image, avatars. Yeah, okay. While we're here, we might as well throw that there. Right. Right. $748 by $896. $1232 by $706. $462 by $174. And then $920 by $430. $920 by $430. Okay, so do we have like all the numbers? Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's just save that. Well, let's close this. Cheatsheet02.pdn. Save that. Yes, I do want to replace it. Okay. File, PNG. 002.png. Yes. Okay. Flatten. Okay, so now we're gonna go file, save as, and actually, no, we're gonna open up the, we're gonna file, open the PDN again, right? And we're gonna go file, save as. We're gonna save this somewhere else. So, assets, images. We're gonna call this cheatsheet.pdn. Save. Then file, save as, and we're gonna call it PNG, cheatsheet.pdn, or PNG. Okay, flatten. And then, let's go open that again. PDN. File, let's go file, open. And, if we go into games, I think if we go into games, then I feel like because this is a cheat sheet that applies to everything, then we should just save it here as well, right? So file, save as, right? Going in here, just cheat sheet.pdn, and then file, save as, cheatsheet.png. Flatten. Okay, so now that we have the cheat sheet, does it look good? Yeah, it looks good enough, right? It's not the best, but it's good enough, right? So I'm gonna go upload file, and I'm just going to srget rflag means fun, and then games, and if I go to the games folder, I can find cheatsheet.png. Okay. And now we have, if I open this in the browser, and we can quickly just see everything we need, right? Yeah. So hopefully that's helpful. It's kind of ugly. It's kind of ugly, but you know, it's an hours of work, right? There we go. Let's close this. It's kind of ugly, but should be helpful, as now it has everything you should need. It's kind of ugly, but it should be helpful, as now it has everything you should need. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our hours. And is that Josh? Okay, so Josh saw our hours. Okay. Let's go. Okay. 1 hour, September 26th. Meeting with 1 hour. Finished cheat sheet. Cheat sheet. Cheat sheet for Josh. Cheat sheet. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put that little footnote here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we may make a little YouTube short, and then we may make some raw, and then we have the raw footage of kind of what we're up to right now. So we're gonna stop the recording. We're gonna go upload this to wherever it needs to be uploaded, and we're done. And then we'll work on this later before we go to bed. We'll do some more work or whatever.